I'm trying to move on, trying to move along, but it seems so hard for me to move on. I can't say why, but I think about it every night. When I go to sleep, you're always on my mind, and you're pushing me away like there's something wrong. I can't understand what the hell I did wrong. Did I ever hurt you? Cause I know I never did. I never did, I never did. How can you ever decide just to let me go like this when I loved you so much, baby? And I thought we'd end like this. Just trying to control these feelings and forget all about you. I'd rather die and go to hell than live without you, girl. And from the first day I held you in my arms, I always been so true from the bottom of my heart. I hope that one day, girl, you'll realize this stuff. I love you, baby girl, and I never